Hello everyone, today we will understand that our Digitech Lead CRM how it works. So you have to go to our website first, Digitech Lead CRM. You will see the whole of our website. You will see the login button in the header. You have to click that. As you click on the login button, you will see a dashboard. You will see the login page. So you will have to log in. From our credentials, we have two roles. First is the company head and second is the counselor. So what we create and give you the ID password is basically the company head. So just like that, I will select the company head, and once we log into a demo, I will put the ID password of the demo in it. As soon as I put the ID password, and if my ID password is correct, it will directly take me to this dashboard. Basically, this is the dashboard of our Lead CRM. You will see a lot of things in it. I take you to the settings. So what you'll find in the dashboard, first of all, you will see your name here and you can go directly to the report section from here. Here you will see how many total leads you have put so far. Converted leads will be shown, follow-up leads will be shown. If you scroll down, what was your performance through the year, we are also showing you on the dashboard. How many of your leads came in January and Feb? If someone converts, then on top of that it will come that there was so much of convert lead in this month, and there is also close lead, which is basically what we are not working on, after which we close all the things. You will see here product details, on which day your panel is created and on which day it will expire. We have managed the whole thing here. You will get this notification here that your product has expired. We will give a notification before it expires or 5 days before it expires. As soon as you go down, you will get the details of all your counselors, as many counselors as you will add. Right now we are giving you the feature of adding 3 counselors. And then you can add more. We will tell you what is the amount of that particular. Below this, if you go, you will get a calendar section here. In this calendar section you can create your events, you can schedule your meetings, and all those things you will get here. This is the normal calendar that you will get inside this dashboard. We'll have another calendar, that is Google Calendar, which is sync with your Gmail ID and full of dashboard. Let me tell you next. How does the settings work? Just go to settings now. Why are you going to settings? First of all, because you have to fully manage the entire dashboard that you have to make it complete so that you can use it. So first of all, the settings that we have made in the way in which you have to proceed. So the first settings that you will see is manage branch. So manage branch, basically what is that? Any one company has one branch, or there is a common office, or there is one office, then you have to create a branch, because this. The company head, branch and counselor. So in the branch you can make a branch by any name. I make an office today, so I will put an office here, and also in branch head name I put office here. You can enter any contact number here. I use my number. In the email section I will use my email here. I will put my password in my end password and branch address also. As soon as I click on the add branch, my branch will be added. This is all my branches. This is our demo. So we have allocated multiple branches. In your panel you will get the option of one branch. As soon as the branch is done, then you will go to add counselor. In counselor you will find 3 options. In the counselor you can add 3 counselors. So like I have added multiple counselors, but you will get the feature to add 3 counselors. So first you have to select the branch. Which branch you're like? I have just created a new branch, that is office, so I select office. I have selected the name of the counselor here. Put the contact number of the counselor and Gmail ID put here. Whatever is the password of the counselor, we will enter it here. Then we select category, and basically what is category and why we select here? Actually, whatever your product is, it will be divided into different categories. We have already put the category, which is study abroad and online admissions. Once I select study abroad, then I will tell you how you can add category. First of all, I add a counselor here, and as soon as I add a counselor, you will see below that we have added a counselor. Here you will see a new counselor, and here you will see his email ID and all the things. Now here we have given some features. Just enable and disable likes. You won't be able to log in basically, your panel will be able to log in as soon as you enable it. There are also a lot of things: edit, enable, disable, delete in this. You can change the name of the counselor and all the things. Now let's get in my next thing, that is manage category. Manage category, what is the thing right now? That is the same thing that I told above. Just like there will be different categories in your business, if you are from study abroad, then you will have that there is a different category for coaching for your IELTS, there is a different category for visa. So in this way you can do the category for different products within your business itself. So I will put another category here today, which will do your offline admissions, and as soon as I click on the add category, my offline admissions have been added here. You can also edit it, delete it. The next feature that comes is manage status. Now the category has become that this is our product. But specifically in your product and in your entire business. Leads have a nature or a pipeline. That there is process through that pipeline, then you have to give it a sticker or a status and what position it is in. Now the lead is there. You can put your process in it. We have put some processes in advance, like new, payment in queue, pending or process. So you can put something like your study abroad work, you can put document submitted or document pending, you can customize it. So we have kept this thing open. This document submitted was just put by us and it has come here. Next, we go in the manage logo. In the manage logo you will get pre-default logo in the panel, and if it is not there then you will have to add it. Logo will be basically seen in 3 places. Your one will be seen here, one will be seen here in your pay profile, and one will be seen here in the logout button. So you have to put 2 types of logo in it. You have to put the first one, which you will see here in the header. You have to put the rectangle logo, which will be basically in this logo format, and you have to put 300 and 100 resolution or that size in it. And there is profile picture, which will be basically in square format, which will be seen your profile picture. So by clicking on the logo here, you can choose your logo and put this logo and it will be updated here. If we come down to go to features, basically what are the features? In the features, this is the thing in which you have to manage the features which are extra features. Just like we have fee features, should we charge or not? How much payment to be charged, not to be charged? This feature you have to put in your panel or not. As soon as you disable pay here and save changes, it will be disabled. As soon as you enable, it will be enabled. Just like you show all the setting portions. In its section is change password. Basically, you can change these passwords, what we will give you, then you can change the name here. Then our main section that comes up is the add lead, view meetings, manage Google Sheets. This is the whole main section, in which you can manage all the things, the pipeline of all the leads, etc., how to update you, how not to do it. I explain the whole thing. First of all, we goes add lead. After the add lead goes, you will directly come here to enter the name. So I use any name, I put the address. I put the contact number, I put the category here. Whatever your status is, new lead, then put new time and date. You can put otherwise by default will take. If it has come from somewhere as a reference has to be put here, then you can write here. I write friend here. You are the company head yourself. I am in the login of the company head right now, so all are telling, and there are some special comments which are about the particular this lead you can put here. I will click on the add lead. I will go to a view leads. If I see the last one, which is the last one, so you will be able to see that the last lead is this one which I have just managed. Now in this you get a lot of options. This is basically our panel of view leads here. You get the actions here. It looks like a schedule meeting here. You get to view it in the whole lead. What do you want to do and what is not, so how do you have to see? I tell you first of all in the actions you will click if you have to schedule meeting or something like that you can do from this, and here you can basically put which follow-up you have to take, like whatever the you put that next follow-up with this student. Here you can put follow-up, I put next follow-up T. You can put a next follow-up date and time, also you put what the current status of that particular student. I will submit it like this, so this will be added to the follow-up basically. Now next, if you have to see what you can do in this, you will click on the I button. After clicking on the I button, whatever is the past journey of your student, whatever you have to manage in this, everything that comes into it is now you can see all the details here. In these cases, you do not have to put it in your database that you called it or what was the response, you can put it from the call action. As soon as the goes to call action, it will go to Medium and you can select the call email has and WhatsApp web what the students said on the call. If you can put it, it will basically remain in the records. Well, this day call did it, so the child said this is the call. I put the option of call, and in the comment section I write here what they say. So they said they will call. I submit the action successfully. Here, it's been added to you below here. Pay will show that I put it at this timing. As soon as it happens, you have to update the pay here. Then the one which is the recent time will take the time and date. You come to that move to convert the lead, means basically if the lead is your converted, then keep it in your converted leads instead of keeping it in the view leads, so that you have more features upgraded, that your fee structure is done, many things are done in that. You can put that lead one is a close request, means basically this lead you have to close. This lead is not fruitful, then you have to close this lead, so you can close. Request one is the schedule meeting. Here we have taken setup of scheduling from Google Meeting, which you will know in the next video that through Google we can manage the calendar and through Google we can schedule meetings throughout this panel. Next comes down, so here I have told you that there is lead action management here. If you come down, then whatever will be the pay meeting schedule here, it will come here, pay properly. Below that you can change the status here. You can change the category if you have to do these cases. Then the main that comes to you comes up. It's completed view. The main thing that comes after the section of leads is that now you know how to upload it in bulk, or if you don't know about this whole thing. Do you have any Facebook ad running or something is running, then how you manage it? We have made a very good setup to help you manage it, which we tie up with Google Sheet, and we can take it directly from Facebook to Google Sheet. Just like I go to manage Google Sheet, as soon as I click on manage Google Sheet, you will see many options coming here. If you want to sync a new Google Sheet, then you have to click on create sheet setting. You will see that here you have to enter the name of the sheet. What is the name of the sheet? I will put the demo sheet. And here you have to enter the URL. So how you can put the URL? I will tell you that here you will click on the share and you have to open it as soon as you have it. The pay link here, you need this link. You can do this link. We prefer to take the above URL because the sheet ID which is below basically comes here directly, otherwise you have to do that thing manually. So you can pay directly from the sheet above here. You will paste directly here and you will submit it. Now in this case we did not have a single number in this sheet. Okay, so how do you sync it now? Just like your sheet, it has completely synced and it has told you what columns were in it. So I had put the name, number, city in it. So as soon as I come here, the name, number, city will appear. Now in this case we have to tell which column matches the person in the database. Let us suppose we have to match the name with the person name. We'll match contact number with number and address with city. It as soon as you submit, then you have been successfully added here. All your data will come in it, but the error that is coming here is email and contact number required. Now we have put a feature in it that you will need both email and contact number because it will find duplicity. So what you do in this case? Write your email here and you will sync it. And the email arrive here. Now if you want to sync, then again match name with person name, number, contact number, address with city, and email with email, and then I submit. As soon as you submit, then you have been successfully added here, but it has not yet given you leads. How will it give you leads? We have not put leads, so as soon as we will put it, we will check which is the last lead. If I see the last lead is my own lead, I had put demo lead, that lead is stuck here. Here you can, this is a demo lead that I put last time. Now let's add a new lead in which I put the name of the person, number, city, and put the email. Basically we have made this setting in it that every 3 seconds he will take his email, he will sync it completely. The sheets are auto-synchronized in every 10 seconds or 3 seconds. Let's see how long your lead comes. So as you will see that the new lead has been added here, and the lead that you created by doing this test has been added to yourself. So here the pay is auto-synchronized. As you update the pay sheet here, it will not happen, and what you have to do is, this is your complete Google synchronized one. And we will tell you about our next view meeting and the schedule meeting in the next video. What and who needs to do? Your Google Sheet synchronization is complete. What comes after that is that if you want to see leads according to the categories you have created, you will go and here you can see all the leads of that category. You can go to online admissions and see all the online admissions. You can go to offline admissions, and if there is none of the offline admissions, then no leads will come. You can see all the rest of it. And there is also one more feature that I forgot to tell you, that is view leads. View leads, basically what will happen here is your toggle feature. So you can manage it in any way you want, or you can manage it completely. I have to search by name, write the name Yash, and on the filter field, all those whose names Yash is there, it will become here. And I also filter by something else. Let's suppose I put someone's address in who live in Udaipur. If someone stays in Udaipur, then it will come. All the persons with Udaipur address have come here. So in this way it all goes given your converted leads. Now the leads that have been converted will be shown to you here. Here you will see the converter list, and you will see many things in your view button which basically shows what conversations you have and whether you have disabled your fees, and here the fees are also enabled. We could also add features and optimize, customize, so if you want to do something, then you can tell definitively. Then there is an option of close leads. Close leads, basically what happens is that here you have to close the lead which is not working. You can put it here, and the last and the most important feature is that is how the report section now works. You can download all the things in it. You have as many leads as you want. You can download it in whatever format you want. You can download it by searching, and if you do not have to do it by searching, then here is the lead counselor. Thank you so much. This was a whole video. In these cases you don't understand anything, so you can tell us.